Now, Wellington was incredibly fortunate that its Muslim community showed so much strong and level-headed leadership in the wake of the tragic Christchurch terrorist shootings on March 15th, in which 51 people died. Emotions were raw after the events. Throughout the country, the reaction of the Muslim community provided a shining example of unity, understanding, rather than finger-pointing. In Wellington, a vigil was held at the base reserve 2 days after the shooting, drawing thousands of Wellingtonians in one of, I think, one of my proudest days here in Wellington. And we had a wonderfully supportive atmosphere of Wellingtonians coming here. The Muslim leadership group included Tahir Nawaz, President of the International Muslim Association of New Zealand, and a member of the Abrahamic Council, Khaled Said of the World Assembly of the Muslim Youth, and Imam Nizam al-Haq Tamdi of the Kilburnie Mosque. They went out of their way to promote understanding at a difficult time. The Kilburnie Mosque Open Day was brought forward several months to enable the Muslim community to show its appreciation for Wellingtonians. In the days after the shootings, they ensured everyone that was visiting the mosque was shown sympathy, provided with food, and something to drink. Most of all, they showed their compassion. There was a strong push led by the leadership in Wellington for the Muslim and Māori communities to forge closer relationships, and they